Well, on this anniversary of September 11th, we remember, and we remember where we were, and we remember how much our lives have changed. I think there was a pre-9/11 America and a post-9/11 America. And so much changed in our lives from one day to the next, from how we travel to how we view events in our own country. And a sense of vulnerability that existed on this day, that somehow an enemy halfway around the world could reach us here at home and strike innocent people who simply got up that morning and went to work and then never came back to their families. But the other thing about 9/11 is the incredible American spirit, a sense of unity that reigned in our country and of bravery. We all remember the images of law enforcement and firefighters charging into a building on the verge of collapse, risking and sometimes losing their own lives to try to save the lives of their fellow Americans. As we look back, let us hope that without terrorist attacks, we are always vigilant that these kinds of attacks and that our enemies are out there and that it could happen again, but also inspired by the memory of the sense of unity that reigned in our country, a sense of unity that drove us to make the changes necessary so that a day like that would never happen again. And that is how we remember September 11th of 2001.